agreement. There was no given us so many benefits, so many global warming, ozone layer depletion, increase of pesticide, insecticide, polythene bags, so many things in our environment. So how this journey of World Earth Day has been started? You know, in 19 in the entire world, day of Gillard Nelson. So here, how we can make, how can we create ecological balance in nature? What activities should be done, what activities should not be done, and why this create ecological balance has been destroyed. So dear children, as I have told, our nature can provide us. Our nature can provide us our minimum needs, food, shelter and clothing. But as the need of the human being has been converted into greed, then humans have started the over-exploitation of natural resources by using some science and technology. Let us issue with deforestation, excessive mining, industrialization, urbanization, automobilization on the large scale. Of course, this has given comfort and employment, but on long term, what it has given? Pollution. Accumulation of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, methane in our environment. It has reached the global warming. Our temperature is increasing day by day. What is going to happen? If you see within 50 years, if this trend will go on, then what will happen? The glacier will melt. The level of water in river will rise. Then total water will reach into sea. Then the level of water in sea will rise. That will cause El Nino effect. El Nino effect means the level of water in sea will rise. Then all the countries situated, all the cities situated near the sea, they will either float in the water or submerge in the water. This is a huge destruction of the human being and the other wildlife. So what we have to do? We have to start again reforestation to cut trees. As you know, this plant are the living machine, living biological machine. They are taking water from the ground, they are taking sunlight, they are taking carbon dioxide, which is the greenhouse gas. 60% contribution of the global warming to greenhouse gas carbon dioxide. And it can be cut short only by the green plant that is given by the nature. And by using this carbon dioxide and sunlight, these green plants are giving us food and oxygen. Both are the lifeline for us. But we people are going to just destroy the forest area. I will tell you, once the Amazonian then forest was 14% of the earthland area, but now it is used up to, only remain up to 6%. It was called as a lungs of the planet. It provides huge amount of oxygen for entire living beings, but now it is going to reduce. Similarly, so many forests are going to reduce for timber, for the urbanization, residence, as well as for the construction of road and buildings and factory. Nowadays, we are going to use huge amount of plastic. This year, the World Earth Day theme is the planet versus plastic. What is the role of plastic in the human being life and on the nature, on the earth planet? You see, if the tree or leaf of the plant is set down in the soil, it will decompose after 3 days. Cattle will be set into soil, it will decompose because these are the biodegradable. But the plastic, when you are going to dump into soil, it will not decompose. It is not biodegradable. And we are used to go in the market and only we are carrying all the things in the polythene bag. And after using the material, we are going to throw it. We are going to throw it in the soil. We are dumping it in the soil, but it is not decomposing. It is very toxic. It is polyhydrocarbon. What will happen? It will pollute the soil, including it will come into our food system. Some cattle are very eating, they are dying with toxic effect. So how we can control it? So we have to reduce the use of polythene bag up to 60%. This is the theme of this year, World Earth Day. What is going on world level? You see, every country are trying to develop atomic weapons. And they are thinking if we develop atomic weapons, then we are safe. You see, the country A and country B. Country A have atomic weapons, country B have atomic weapons. If due to conflict, country A is going to drop the atomic weapon on the country B, Can the atomic weapon of the country we can check it? Can we stop it? It cannot stop it. It is not anymore. The country will drop the atomic weapon on the B, then in the remains country we will also drop the atomic weapon on the country A. In both conditions there is total destruction of the earth planet as well as the human being. Means these weapons are not going to save us. They are not our friend. They can be used and misused for the destruction of humanity. So what we do? Our country since ancient time in the follower of Buddha. Means entire world is friendly. All the creatures, all the human beings of the world are never friendly. We have to be in cordial relationship and we have to protect each other. Because these are the delicate unit of our ecosystem. So, truth, non-violence and the Buddha can save the earth planet. Otherwise, atomic weapons, all the weapons, they are only the enemy of the human being. Suppose one person has gun to protect themselves, but the same gun will move for that person, can it will protect the person, it will kill himself. So, no enemy weapons are the threat of the human being. Only the cardiac relation, the concept of the Buddha is only maintain peace and ecological balance in our ecosystem of our planet. One thing also I will tell children, what will be our goal to maintaining the ecological balance in the ecosystem? Suppose right now we are using this electric appliance. They are consuming electricity. For that, in the thermal power pole are going to burn. Suppose after this assembly, this will run 24 hours, then it will consume more electricity. Then demand of electricity will increase. Then the more fossil fuel, more coal will burn. Means more and more pollution will increase. So what we have to do? After using this, we can make it off. Suppose we are from the house here, we can make the fan and keep light off. When we are going to sleep there, we have to use. Unnecessarily we cannot waste. One more thing. Suppose we are going to eat in dining hall, we have to take such amount of food which we can eat. Again we can take, but not at a time full of the thali. After that half thali we are going to consume, later on we are going to throw. You will say what we have done the environment. You see, if we will waste it, then the more and more we will do, then more and more demand will increase, then the pressure of the farmer will increase, they will use more pesticide, more insecticide, more herbicide, then there will be more chemical pollution in the soil and it will create problem on us. So we have to judiciously use all these things. Other thing, we breathe with oxygen. So we have to plant more and more to get more oxygen. I am thankful to God this person. In the July and August month, he has taken initiative and along with team and the NSS and the nature club students for plantation. And within 3 years, all the area becomes more green. This is the noble task and noble step towards the conservation protection of the environment. One thing more we can do, student. Suppose after that, just after you will go to your home. You will consume a lot of mango, lychee, and the plums. After consuming it, you have to collect the seeds. And in July, when you are coming here, you bring all the seeds with the permission of our principal sir. One day, NSS and nature club team, we will move toward the jungle. In the July-August month, we will spread all the seed in the jungle. Within 3 years, some plant will grow, and within 3 years, more greenery will develop in that area. Fortunately, we are having forest area this side. So this way we can put our effort for maintaining delicate ecological balance in nature. So small step, if we will use, I am very much happy. Nowadays, sir, you will bicycle again in the morning. This is also one step to decrease the pollution. Suppose we are going in very short and we are using motorcycle, we are using cars, instead of going to pollute the environment. As much possible, we have to cut short. If it is long distance, then we can use other vehicles. Otherwise, you have to put cycle. This is the way to cut short the pollution. So, children, this Earth Day is not to only celebrate, to do some practice which helps in maintaining delicate ecological balance in nature. So, after these few words, I would like to represent one poem which are written by me फॉर द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, पर्यावरण को बचाने के लिए। तो हमारी कोई भी सदस्य है, कभी आपने सुना भी होगा, लेकिन फिर से मैं बोलना चाहूंगा इस अवसर पे, पर्यावरण बचाना होगा, पर्यावरण बचाना होगा, फिर से वृक्ष लगाना होगा, पर्यावरण बचाना होगा। जीवन साथी, पशु पक्षी हम सबके संघाती, इनको भी अपनाना होगा, पर्यावरण बचाना होगा। पेड़ पौधे से जीवित मशीनें प्रकृति हमें उपहार में भेजी, विष जैसी गैसों को पीकर हमको ये ऑक्सीजन देती, सूरज की गर्मी को पीकर हमको पौष्टिक भोजन देती, इनको हमें उगाना होगा, पर्यावरण बचाना होगा, पर्यावरण बचाना होगा। यह धरती है सोच से सुंदर, फिर से इसे सजाना होगा, पर्यावरण बचाना होगा, पर्यावरण बचाना होगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
पर्यावरण बचाना होगा। आपने पूरी विस्तृत जानकारी बायोसर के द्वारा आपको